Hi and welcome back to the Paradise Garage. Since we soon are sending some parts off to the machine shop, I am cleaning off some surface rust from the inside of the cylinders that I got from the engine sitting for a bunch of years. I'm also removing soot and lead from the top of the pistons. When taking off surface rust from the inside of the cylinders, you don't want to grind off any material apart from the rust. Steel wool and WD-40 is what I have used until now, but just realized that 556 is even better. When we disassembled the engine, we found that two of the cylinders were in a pretty sorry state, and this is one of them. They had standing water, and that meant rust. This is the better one of them. I'll clean it up the best I can, and then we'll see what the machine shop will say about it. As you probably realize, this takes quite a lot of polishing. Well, as you can see, quite an improvement. And of course, now the machine shop won't risk their tools while honing this cylinder. Rust is actually quite hard on the tools. And when done, some protection, of course. WD-40 does that job quite well. Here we go with a pretty sooty piston. All the pistons were like this, and we need to get them cleaned off. It's a mix of soot and a bit of lead, as this engine mostly ran on leaded fuel for many years. And the best way to clean off caked on soot on piston, I think, is to use some WD-40 or similar and steel wool. The steel wool, when you use it with some thin oil, it won't actually hurt the piston. Just barely polish it and takes off the soot pretty good. And also the oil dissolves the soot while you're polishing the piston. Well, not too shabby, what do you say? That piston is good to go. So now just click like, subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll be back soon with more content from the Paradise Garage.